up, squad? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and as you can see from the title, we will be checking out the excellent Oyster Bay Resort in Trelawny, Jamaica. So just continue watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. This hotel is all inclusive, it is adults only, and trust me, you're going to want to see the room tour. So stay tuned.
We're in the lab, we're having fun. Call up your friends and tell them that another video's done. We're in the lab, making you proud. If you're ready for adventure, let me hear you shout. It's labs out loud, out loud, out loud, out loud. It's labs out.
Alright, so this is our room. Had the anniversary sign because it's our anniversary. Alright, so when you enter, you have this. It's touch screen, so I think you control the AC and the lights.
And if you don't want disturbance, like no disturbance, you touch that.
And if you want house cleaning,
you press that.
Right.
These are the switches. Everything is just clean.
Right.
This area is where.
Alright, so there's room service. So when you finish with your stuff, you can put your plates and whatnot in here, and then they just open the little door right there and clean it out without having to disturb you or come in the room to get your dirty dishes. As we go down, you have the closet. Right, it's a walk-in closet. Yeah, right. So it's pretty big. I don't think I've seen a walk-in closet before.
In a hotel.
Yeah.
Because you have one at home.
Yeah. Alright, so that's the closet. On the right.
Blanket.
Oh, extra blanket, extra pillow. It had bed slippers and robes. Okay guys, on the right is the bathroom. So we're walking in. This is the face basin. So you have him and her. So you have two usual tissue. This is the light switch and charging port. Two basin we got. So we got, this is shampoo, shower gel, lotion, conditioner, rags, toothpaste, right, mirror, gas, towels, scale. Don't know why the mouse have scale in here, and that's a blow dryer. This is the toilet area, and we have a walk-in shower, right, with rain shower head. Nice. Alright, so we're going into the bedroom, and on the left we have mirrors from the roof to the ceiling, so you can see everything you're doing over that side. This is our bed. Oh, I love swans, cute. Alright, so two bedside table of the usual. You have the AC control, the plugs, the light switch, phone, remote, bedside lamp. Yeah, nice. We have a TV. right? Oh yeah. So added privacy. Yeah. See that? Nice. Alright, so next we're going to the living area. Living and bar. There's a bar in the room. Comes with alcohol, vodka, there was a wine, I think, usual ice, coffee, tea, juice. Some of those juices are in the fridge, just took them out to get space. So there's a wine, beer, all of the fridge was stocked. There were more chocolates in here, but somebody ate them out. Alright, so move over. You have a work desk, usual desk, chair, bin. There's another TV. Nice. Then we have this big couch right here. Coffee table, a rocking chair. Okay. Alright, so outside you have the lounge chair. Take a bit of privacy. People walk away, neighbor, but still cool. Decks and lounge set. And we got our own pool. So you don't gotta mix and mingle. The neighbors still can see though, but it's still your own pool. Nice swimming, skinny dipping if you're brave. I like it. I love it. Yeah?
Yeah, it's nice.
Alright, love squad, there you have it. What an excellent room tour. Like I'm sitting here watching it, I'm just like, wow, excellence is excellent. Guys, comment down below what was your favorite part of the room tour. Mine was, the fact that they had the area where you can put your plates when you're finished eating, and the housekeeper will be able to remove them without coming into the room. I thought that was a excellent idea. I also love that it was a swim up room and the room had a lot of space. I love the separation. I love that they had their own jacuzzi. I love that they had, guys, you comment down below because I enjoyed the entire room tour. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ensure that you turn on your post notification. Just click the little bell down below so that you'll be able to be notified as to where we're headed to next. All right, Lab Squad, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.